Welcome guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform a hard reset of your JBL Flip 3. As you can see, I'm currently successfully connected with my iPhone. The device is turned on, and that's how you can start the reset. You have to power on this speaker, and then you have to use two buttons, the Bluetooth button and the volume up button. You have to click and hold them until this indicator will turn on. They will turn to the white and the last one will turn to the red, and after that the device will be turned off, and this connection will be also power off. So let's make it right now. Click and hold these two buttons, Bluetooth button and the volume up button together. Hold it at least for 5 seconds. Keep holding. As you can see right now, the speaker is turned off, and we are not connected anymore. So what I can recommend you right now, to click right here, forget this device, then click once on this button, on the power button, to turn it on back. And right now just click once on the Bluetooth button to move to the pairing mode, and after a few seconds our JBL Flip 3 will be available to connect, and there it is. So that's how you can perform the hard reset and connect back your speaker to your device. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.